Ouch, mother pearl. How to debadge your motorcycle or car. I debadged my Audi A3, looks much cleaner without all the badges back here. Now we'll do the bike here. I already did the left side on the Kawasaki here. I just took it off initially. You can still see the glue on there. We'll get that off last. And then we're also going to take off just this sticker on the front here. But let me show you on this side here what we'll do. I need some glue gun. Alright, I'll put a link down below for all this good stuff. You're gonna need some fishing wire. Alright, this is 15-pound strength. Maybe even a little stronger if you can get it, but this works. I tried earlier. These little dental flossers, and that didn't work too well. These things, they're not to play. Alright, dental floss ain't it. You want to spray the glue gun, let it rest for about 5 minutes. I already sprayed some on both emblems and the sticker, but I'll spray a little more right now. And then we get the fishing line and just start flossing it under. We're gonna want some microfiber cloths to get. We don't want all this dripping everywhere. Let's see. Or getting all over the seat. We're gonna want a good cleaning afterwards. Glue gun smells like lemon. It smells pretty good. Lemon pledge. Lemon pledge. It doesn't corrode the paint, which is good. Get a generous amount of floss. You ever gone to the dentist to teach you how to floss? Wrap it around your middle finger on both hands. Wrap it up tight. Just gonna pull your fingers off. You can wear gloves too, it might help. And we're just gonna get it under one side. Just start shimmying. Look at that, coming right off. This is after it's already been on there for about 5 minutes. Comes off like a glove. Just gonna pull your fingers off. Get a good grip. You can shimmy the whole thing off there, or you can just get one side and just start peeling it. Let's go the distance. Oh, it's coming off. Just gotta shimmy up and down. Oh, you see, and then it broke. That's why we got a whole reel. Shimmy it. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. You know, once you get this close, if it's giving you trouble, you can just pull it off. Let's see. I'm just doing the twist here. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Keep the tension. And look at that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Afterwards, we're gonna spray some more glue gun all over this stuff. You can scrape it off with like a plastic instrument, or you can just use your good old fingernails. Comes right off. Just gotta put some love into it. Let's get our friend up here. This one's the big one. So like I said, I already sprayed it 5 minutes ago. I'm gonna spray a little more. I'm just gonna find one end. Oh goodness, I have to clean up the bike after for real. And this glue gun is not gonna affect the paint, so you can be generous. Same story, we're gonna get some, maybe like a forearm's length of floss here. Let's see, oh, it's already going under. Look at that, easy. Little pressure, up and down, up and down. This stuff might splat in your eye, so if you want to wear glasses, that's up to you. I'm just gonna smell like freaking lemon pledge. Ouch, mother pearl. When it breaks, that's a sign. I'm just gonna, there it is, get it. Go for it, go for the gold. Voila, look at that. I already sprayed it, you can see. I started peeling it. This one's just a sticker. Let's see. Oh, easy, yes. That's the way it should be. Oh, sweet. I'm gonna put some elbow into it and just start scraping all this little junk off here. Just found a life hack here. All right, rather than using your fingernail, which I've been doing the last 20 minutes, get one of these flossers and use the back end of it. Look at it. Stuff come right off. It's gonna be record timing. That's when I damn near peel my fingers off. You're gonna wanna use some more glue gun once you get the badges off and really buff it out, because that residue, even though you can't see it, it leaves a little film. So you really wanna get in there. It's hard to see on camera. It's tiny, very tiny little scratches. It's probably from when I was using the flosser rather than the fingernail seemed to work. I also didn't use a heat gun. If you had a heat gun, that would probably help a lot, but all I had was glue gun and some fishing wire and some floss. So I ordered this scratch and swirl remover on Amazon. Ceramic sealer, comes with a little foam. All you gotta do, put a few penny-sized drops on the little foam, like so. Let's get, I already did the other side. We get 1, 2, 3, let's do 4. And we're just gonna do swirls until it basically you can't see it anymore. And then clean it off after with a little water, get rid of the extra. And it worked really well on the other side. Let me wax on, wax off here. Hold on to your bite. You want to apply a moderate amount of pressure. Little circles. When your arm gets tired going one way, flip it the other way.
A few more seconds.
Nice. So now that is basically all gone, just gonna use a little water, get off the excess here, and then we'll dry it off. Let's see, that is beautiful. Good job. And now we're gonna do the same thing down here. You can kind of see it, right? Yeah, right about there. You know, hard to see at night, but in the sunlight you can see it for sure. Let's get this one here too. Same story.
3, 4 is a good number, like so. You do want to make sure before you start that the area is clean. You get rid of all the extra. Be gentle. Let's see how it works.
All right. Well, that looks real nice. She's a beaut, Clark. I'll put a link down below for all the goodies. Try yourself. Bye bye.